do it. I'm gonna do it. He told me to. No, that's a cop. I'm not sending it. That's a cop. That's a cop, bro. I'm not sending it. Free burners, bro. No tire wear today, boys. Slam shake. I see I wanted the new BRZs the other day, bro. It's pretty sweet. I'll do it right here. WRX. Holy shit. I suck at drifting this way. Oh, that wasn't even a drift. That sucked. I'm so used to the Tilty Boy wheels. It was so easy to drift the car with all the camber. Now it's hard as hell. I gotta go get some food, dude. What do you guys think I'm gonna get? Potato chips. Nope. Snickers bar. Nope. Yo, take up the whole road there, buddy. New position. Just in case the other one was a fail. It was seltzer that I went in there for. Oh, that was clutch. Oh, I know this song. Go fast music. Actually, it's probably not a good thing to do that in the rain. I don't feel like skirting at 50 miles an hour. No skirting at that speed, boy. I don't feel like smashing my front end again. We've already attempted and failed at that. Yo, what is up? Yeah, he's not in trouble. I usually pull over to help people. I love rain because you're stealthy. Other than your exhaust, you're stealthy as hell, bro. Totally. Your tires don't like make a bunch of noise, and it could just be a loud exhaust. You know what I mean? I want to start doing more than just cars, bro. Oh, come on, bro. Like, I always want to focus on cars, but like dirt biking and motorcycles and trucks. Like, I want to get a little variety and just like be a fun fucking car driver. Holy moly, I almost lost it. That guy behind me is probably like, send it, bro, send it, go, go, go. No, it's probably an old guy. Yo, I'm gonna lose my license. I only fuck around when I'm on camera. Dude, I only fuck around when I'm filming though. And it's the worst time to do it because you're recording it. I don't want to be that guy. I only want to do it when the roads are empty. It's an adrenaline rush too. It's hard to control it in the fucking rain, bro. Alright, we're send it? Okay, I'm gonna do it. He told me to. He told me to. You seen it, right? Oh no, that's a cop. I'm not sending it. That's a cop. That's a cop, bro. I'm not sending it. You guys seen it. I wasn't making excuses. It was pointed right at him. You seen the cop drive right by, bro. Yo, this song is dope. I just gotta make sure there's no cops. So we're backwards. Yeah, we're good, bro. Oh no! Hold up, is this? I don't think they work here. They're looking at me. Fuck you. You know what? Because they're looking at me, bro. I don't think they care, to be honest. That was so shit, but whatever. Yeah, I don't want to lose my license, guys. I actually do it. I'm recorded. Oh, of course they leave now. Really? That's my luck. You guys see that, right? They're fucking actually here. I wasn't making excuses for the second time. Oh, yo. Alright. Fuck you, I'm not in your parking lot, dog. It was still shit, but I don't really care. What's up? What is that, bro? That's like a fucking... What is that? That's ugly as hell, but I mean... I don't know what it is. It's a funky looking car. Alright, I don't think we're gonna be able to find any other spots. Oh, that's more police. Yo, there's a lot of police out today. And everyone's gonna be calling up. Hey, Super Dan is fucking around on the roads. Pull him over. And yank his license. I'm responsible when I fuck around though. I don't do it when there's other people. So I'm responsible. Everybody fucks around. It's just a matter of who's dumb doing it. I'm not dumb when I do it, bro. I make sure there's no vehicles in my line of sight. Or when it's dangerous, like right here. Or when there's bumps in the road like this. What's up, boss? What is up? But it annoys me when I'm going to shift up. Like auto rev or whatever it's called, where it like puts the RPMs up for your next downshift or whatever. This would be a good spot to do it. Oh yeah, this is a good one too. Oh no, Mamba Zilla, right? Hold up, I have it right in this, right? Yeah, this one's dope. Whoa there, buddy, look at the road. This is one of my favorite songs, bro. Ready? Perfect drift by then. Mamba! POV! Hopefully it's served some purpose.